Kaya po natin mapaniwala ang atin.
So, there will be a parole here. Then, meron po tayong food bazaar doon. After our event, mag-start po yung 5:30. So, if you want to experience,
Yes!
Galing naman, di pa ako nakakaupo,
I
nakaupo.
recommend mag-stay po kayo. So, we have more picnickers. Meron po tayong
Tapos pag
we have courtesy 4D checking na nandun po on your right side. Nakabukas po yan if you want to see what is card, what night card,
Oh my God.
premier destination for the second place. Let's give them a warm of applause. Division 1, second placer. Ilocos,
One win.
Ilocos United. Okay lang. Sige po. Come on guys. Line up here. When you receive your medals,
Ay, ganda.
Next one.
Got it! Oh my goodness!
Ay, lamot pala. Lamot pala.
congratulations Ilocos United. Second placer, Division 1.
Ay, galit.
Tasis.
Oh,
Saya po kaya.
ayan na naman tayo eh. Sa pagkatalo niya hindi. Di ba may game pa kayo? Hindi pa yun. Oo, kaya pa yan. Oh, ayan na.
Thank you so much, Ilocos United. Congratulations. Congratulations, kids. And now, syempre, yung pinakahihintay ng Division 1, the champion.
Oh, pwede naman. Di ba, dinikas ko na sa'yo yung palawan mo. Galing mo. Ket!
Your medals.
Ano yan?
This is a
Yung uniform mo lang sa tayo, pinanap
Division
ng 500 lang. Oo, basta kung nakauwi na. Good!
Itoy.
Good, good! Galing naman, bebe. Sabi ko.
Yeah!
Ay, nagaling ko get yung pass! Ito, may pang-birthday ka na!
So we are you ready for the Division 1 champion? I present to you the champion. Give it myself.
Kahit di ano?
Nagsisin. Good job, baby!
Sisi.
Please claim your medals, guys. And of course,
Yan siya ng yellow card.
the MVP,
Ganyan. Ayun yung
CJ
referee. Hindi naman siya sa akin. Parang nainsang siya sa...
number 10.
Kapag ganun ka, kasi dito sa sarili mo, makikita yun ang referee. Akala siya ang pinag-anuhan mo, nagdag.
All the way from Jesan and Panabo.
Nakalimutan ko na sabihin.
It's for the trouble, Sultans.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So our Division 1 champions, may we request Sir Reggie to have a photo ops with your
Boom.
Sir Reggie.
Oh.
Sir Reggie of Fit Bar. Sir Reggie, do join the
all
King
broken from Fit Bar.
Asikaso, expected ko naman kasi kahit tumatalo.
Gumaya.
Okay,
Girls 2006 category, field number 11.
Pati sa pag-graduate na din. Siyempre,
Sir Tones, I give you the floor. Thank you so much.
Okay na kasi yun.
Again, congratulations to all the winners of the mixed boys and girls 2014 category for the Philippines Cup 2024 football tournament. We'll see you next year. And please follow our Facebook page, Maxcom Sports Management Services, for your pictures as given the maximum competition to the Philippines Cup 2024 football tournament, which is happened here at the parade grounds,
Okay, Toys, kunin mo yan.
zone in Pampanga. Ingat po.
Sige,
And
Toys.
safe trip to everyone. Thank you
Sige, tira
thank
nyo.
you so much.
Shoot.
Good. Good. Ay, naku, nag-agawan na.
Magkano ba pa?
Good. Good.
Okay, basa. Good
Muntik na.
Basa, alright, si Basa Football Club nandun na.
Muntik na maun.
Muntik pumasok sa...
Puerto Princesa, Palawan FA. Coach Tony. Field number 11 po tayo. Versus Basa Football
Napanalo na ito
Club.
kay Pa.
Oo nga daw. Oo, sinabi sa akin. Patay na siya. Wala na.
Yan, bakit may long shot?
Oo. Yung pamasahe. Mahal.
Yan, yan, yan. Kaya yan.
Sige na. Nandiyan na siya.
Okay, field number 11.
Ayun. Ayun. Ayun.
Since
Ayo.
libre na
Paso.
po yung field,
Yun.
you can use
Sayang.
to finish
Muntik na
your
ayo. Muntik na.
remaining matches so we can proceed. Palawan FA.
Hindi na kami nag-order ng short. Bumili na lang kami sa palengke.
Oh, kitoy. Good save.
Oh, galing, Iggy! Oh, Diyos niya. Good! Very good, bebe.
Nice header, baby.
Parang nakaraming tulog kasi wala internet.
Hindi, antok nga siya eh.
Antok ba?
Antok daw siya.
Antok ba rin?
Kung kitoy.
Ay! Namatay kasi yung kaibigan niya sa Holy Spirit namatay ng birthday niya. Birthday. Hindi, pero kung nagpaskuhan siya, maisasabay ko siya kasi late na rin kami nag-kiss. Mali na tama. Kaya lang, nakakaya din sa kaibigan niya.
Saba. Ay.
Oh! Bakit nag-exhibition ka